holds a matchless place in the Ugandan livelihoods. It serves as a food security crop, income source, main dish, cultural artifact, and other daily purposes. The crop is grown mainly for subsistence with little input investment, resulting in overall low productivity. Since the 1990s, the central region had been the main banana-producing area, yet the production moved gradually to the west-south, where the crop is now grown more commercially. Bananas are an essential crop in Uganda and play a significant role in the country's economy and daily life. Uganda is one of the largest banana-producing countries in the world, producing over 10 million tons of banana annually. When you travel everywhere, you will be amazed by Uganda's scenery and greenness. No wonder it has been called the evergreen state of Africa.